Welcome back, my Tea Party Squad. Welcome back to another video. And if this is your first time here, hello and welcome. So glad you are here and joining in on my tea party, where I like to share my planner hauls, recipes, and decorative planner spreads with you while I sip on my favorite tea. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and come and play with me. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I decorate this Happy Notes half sheets into a weekly planner. So I went ahead and placed down my Teresa Collins washi around the corners of my page, and I used the alphabet sticker book to spell out the month of November. And my inspiration actually for this week's Happynichi Saturday spread came from this washi tape. Yes. Now, have you ever gotten inspiration from your favorite washi? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know where you gain your inspiration. Either it be a sticker or a washi tape. Let me know. So I am going to be using this Teresa Collins Be Happy Box sticker book because, of course, I had to pull out the washi tape. So why not go ahead and use some of the stickers out of that? And then I thought I will also incorporate some Wrong dolls. And then I may throw in a few colorful boxes. I'm not for sure yet, but we'll see. But I will mainly be using my Wrong girls and the Teresa Collins Be Happy box. Of course, as you can tell, I already used some of those stickers out of that Be Happy box Teresa Collins sticker book that I absolutely love. And so because I got that inspiration from Teresa Collins, I thought I will go ahead and use those beautiful boxes there. That was actually that first page that you saw. I already took those stickers off, of course. But that's where I got my inspiration. Once I used that washi, why not go ahead and tie in some Teresa Collins boxes? And I just thought that would have been super easy and smart to do. And I just love how everything just fall in together. And I absolutely love this sticker book. Everything about this sticker book. The only thing that I wish that they had were date dots. Other than that, this would be a complete must-have sticker book because it really has everything that you need to create a spread. So I'll be decorating this spread for the week of November the 11th through the 17th. And so I just want to double check, make sure I got all of my boxes, making sure I have enough and making sure that the numbers will correspond and I have it aligned, because sometimes your girl is extra happy when she's planning her Happynichi, and sometimes I forget a few numbers or I'll date it wrong or however. So I do like to double check myself when it comes to that, just making sure that I do have everything that I need and making sure that it's flowing like it's supposed to be. So if you are wondering what I'm talking about when I mention Fauxbonichi or Happynichi, I know there are quite a few of you who are just getting into planning, starting decorative planning, and you're like, what is this? This is a new language. Happynichi, I have a brief description of what a Happynichi or Fauxbonichi is down in my description box. So check that out. See if that's something that you may be interested in starting or creating for yourself. So make sure you go check that out down in my description box. Because I absolutely enjoy my Happynichi or my Fauxbonichi as my everyday carry planner. Okay. I love it. And I recently started using it to keep up with my daily to-dos, my appointments, and my daily brain dump. And it has been working for me. I have actually found planner piece in this, and it's a nice size to kind of throw in my purse, my backpack, or my crossbody. So I absolutely love the size of this, and I absolutely love it. Now, do you have a Fauxbonichi or a Happynichi? Let me know down in the comment section and let me know what you're using it for. I would love to know. I know that there are some who are using their Happynichi or their Fauxbonichi, whatever they call it. They're using it for social media. They're using it for meal planning. They're using it for household tasks and meal planning. So I would love to know what you're using your Hobonichi or your Happynichi for. So as I just shared, I'm using my Happynichi as an everyday carry to just keep up with my daily to-dos, my appointments, and my daily brain dump. And I think this is going to work for me. And I absolutely love it. I've been doing it for about a few weeks now. And I've been productive in doing and keeping up with the things I need to get done. So speaking of like a daily brain dump, I wanted to use this colorful box, which it has gold foil trimming around it. And I thought that box would actually tie in very well with this washi. Because if you don't have this Teresa Collins washi tape, it does have little speckles of gold foil in them with this floral, and is beautiful in person. So I wanted to use this gold foil box at the bottom. Probably not to use as my brain dump for this week, but I'm thinking about maybe putting down like some goals that I want to do for this week and accomplish. And I'm not trying to give myself too much of goals to accomplish within a week, because I do find myself getting very overwhelmed when I don't complete those tasks within that week. So I'm thinking about focusing on one task a week, for the week, and trying to accomplish that. So that way it's giving me that whole week. So now I'm putting in the plan, and I'm putting in these colorful boxes from the Teresa Collins box. I'm sorry, from the Teresa Collins sticker book. And I'm just using, I'm staggering these colorful boxes, which is this beautiful blush blue and this black. And then I think I'm going to bring in some of that blush pink. And since it is sweater weather, I wanted to tie in this Wrong doll because I think it was so cute, and I think it just give it that pop and that flair because that's so me right there. And so I was just trying to figure out where to place her. And so I didn't want to put a box there, but I just thought, let me see. And then I saw this doll as well, and that just reminded me, oh, that's really nice and chic to do. And I was like, I want to use that doll. But I was like, I don't want to use two dolls on one page. So I just thought maybe I'll put this doll here on this page, trim it up a bit, of course, because I do have a little hangage from her dress there that I will trim up a little later. And then I wanted to go ahead and tie in this Wrong doll. This little doll right here, that Afro woman right there. Yes, she is fire. Like, I want to use her, but I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead, put a box down, because I do have a few plans that I want to execute and write down. And I need for her to kind of be somewhere around those plans, because those plans are going to be us taking family photos. And that is just a true representation of what my outfit may look like for our family photos. And so I just wanted to use her because that's part of the plan for the week, is taking family portraits. And I'm loving this outfit that she has on. And this is somewhat of our family color scheme that we're going for our family photo. So you will also see me plan for that also in a few minutes. You'll see me planning for that. And so I wanted to tie in this goals that I got out of the journaling accessory pack. I love that gold foil of that goals, and I love that font. So I'm going to use that at the bottom here, and I'm going to put down, like I said, I want to use those as my goals. And since that beautiful Wrong doll is like splitting that box into two, I wanted to set two goals for the week. So I will have one on my left and one on my right. And I absolutely am loving how this is coming together. And of course, I want to use that sticker that says create your vision of success. No matter what anybody says, create your vision of success. And so that's what I wanted to focus on. And I just loved that quote sticker there. So of course, I wanted to use that to motivate me for this upcoming week as well. So because I couldn't decide of which doll of the Wrong dolls I wanted to use for this spread, let me know down in the comments below which doll would you have selected? Would you select this beautiful chic classy doll to the left, or would you select this sweater weather Wrong doll with the afro puff? Okay, I'm loving her natural hair. So let me know down in the comments which doll you would have chosen for this spread. right, girl. Oh my goodness. I could not decide of which doll I wanted to use. So I thought I would incorporate both of them. So I thought I would just incorporate the left side is going to be like my modern chic side. And then my right side is going to be like that boss babe, get it done, that goal getter girl. That right side, that's what she is. Yes. But hold on. Wait a minute. Did y'all realize that I actually gained inspiration from that wrong doll on the right hand side right down there? For my family photo. I did not realize that until just now. Like, how many of you have actually seen a sticker and gained like fashion inspiration for creating like your outfit or wardrobe? Let me know down in the comment section, because I know I cannot be the only one. But it's just so funny how I actually love that color and all of that. I probably won't be that casual for my family photos, but of course that is the color scheme that I was going for. So make sure to stay tuned for more videos here at my tea party, and make sure you click that red subscribe button so you don't miss another video, and check out a few of these videos here until my next video drops. Thank you for watching.